Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to use Sora AI in Europe. So for us, if you have any issue with using Sora, if first of all you're going to be trying by heading over to openai.com, and on the left side menu bar or many options you can see we have Sora. Simply click onto that, and if this site is not accessible or for some reason you are not able to simply generate using prompts once you purchase a plan, that is going to be pretty annoying. What you can do is simply use a VPN of some type. You can see we have urban VPN that I prefer. Make sure to go with the purchase plan, then you will be using this to simply dive into different platforms or countries that you might be able to access Sora from. So yeah, that is pretty easy, and let's just go back for now, and it is working just fine. You can use a VPN and use it. That's it. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.